Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we continue learning about the factorizing with double bracket. In the last video we have learned about the single bracket, something like this. You will see the common factor between two terms here, AX and BX, and the common factor is X here. So you will take X outside the bracket, and inside bracket you got A and plus B. We call here is factorizing in single bracket form, but another form I will to improve your skill about factorizing is you got AX plus BX and plus with you got here is AY and plus by. Okay, how can you factorize in this one? You can see the expression in this one. We have four terms. You got AX first term, BX, AY and BY. Look at the first term. Look at the first two terms. You got AX plus BX, so you can see very easily for figure out the common factor is X. You take X outside the bracket here, and the inside bracket you got A plus B. And the last two terms you got AY and plus BY. So you got Y is common factors. We take Y outside the bracket, and inside the bracket you got the first term, the A left, and the second term you got B left. So that's why I got this form. So after this, after step 1, you got from 4 terms become to 2 terms, and in this 2 terms you got A plus B brackets is single common factor. So take A plus B outside the bracket, and the first term you got X left, and the second term you got Y left. So that's why from this one you got the result of factorizing is X plus B multiply X plus Y. So this is a factorizing about double bracket. It's not too difficult, right? Just single bracket, you do it two times, and then you got double brackets very easily. Okay. The second example, you got another expression mx plus my plus nx plus ny. So first two terms you got the common factor is m, so I take m outside the bracket, and the left you got x left and y left, put it into the bracket in here, and you got x plus y. And the last two terms nx and ny. N is a common factor, so take n outside, you got x plus y in this one. And then after this step you got a plus y and x plus y, and x plus y is common factor of two terms here. So that's why I'm going to take the common factor right now first. And another form, another bracket, you got m and you got n. So here is my result. Yeah, that is not too difficult, right? This is example 2, and I want you to practice by yourself with me. First example you got here like this, and question 2 you got something in here. So I'm got here is AX, AY, BX and BY. So the first two terms you got AX and AY. Take A outside because A is common factor. Inside bracket you got X plus Y. Last two terms you got BX and BY. Take B outside and you got X plus Y in this one. And the common factor you got X plus Y is a common factor, and another form you got A plus B is a second bracket. So we finish example, we finish exercise 1. Stop video right now and you do question 2 by yourself, and then turn on video and take your answer. And here is my answer. You got C, first two term is a common factor, and take C outside. The first term you got M left, and the second term you got N left. And the last two terms AM and AN in here, and take A outside, the common factor, you got M plus N one more time. So after these two steps, you got two terms left, and the common factor of these two terms is M plus Y, the first bracket, and I write out the common factor first, and then I take the factor left. The first term you got C left, and the second term you got A left. So that's why you got the second bracket is C plus A. So we finish question 2. Not too difficult. Yep. Go on for this question, and of course stop video, do it by yourself, and then check my answer. take k outside, and the first bracket you got x plus y. The second one you got m is a common factor, and then I take x plus y in here. And after this step, you got x plus y is a common factor, and k plus m is this one. Okay, how about 4? 4 you got HA, HB, HH, HA, HB. So take H outside. The first bracket you got A plus B. The common factor of the last two term is H. H outside bracket, inside bracket, one more time you got A plus B. So very easy for recognize that A plus B is a common factor. Take it outside, and H is a common in the second bracket. So very easy for question 5. You got H is a common factor, Y plus A, of course, and this one you got B and Y plus A, of course, and then Y plus A is a common factor. I write it out first, and the second bracket H plus B. Okay, we done question 5. Yeah, of course it's not too difficult, but carefully about your writing. And something new in question 6. Section 6, you will work with specific number. The first thing you got here is 3x and 3y. 3x, 3y, okay, 3 is a common factor. Take x outside, you got x and y in here. Ax, ay, you got a outside, so you got x plus y in this one. And after this step, you got x plus y is a common factor, and the second factor, you got a plus 3 plus a, sorry. Yeah, we done question 6. Question 7, something new. You got x squared plus 2x plus 3x and plus 6, another form for factorizing, something new for you. Okay, listen carefully. First one, x squared. What does it mean? It means x multiply x. Talk about 2 multiply x, I rewrite. 3 multiply x, I rewrite. But I will factorizing 6. I will separate 6 become to 3 multiply 2. Okay, so why I do that? X squared, x multiply x plus 2x in here, you take x outside, and inside bracket you got x plus 2. Another bracket, or in the last two terms, you got 3x and 3, 2. So 3 will be the common factor. I'm take x 3 outside, and inside bracket one more time I got x plus 2. So x plus 2, 3 x plus 2, so x plus 2 is a common factor, new common factor. So I'm taking outside, and the inside bracket you got x left in the first term, and you got 3 left in the second term. That's why I'm got x plus 2 plus x plus 3 is factorizing totally for this question 7. Okay, and in the same way for question 8, I will write down like this. X squared is x multiply x, and this one 7 multiply x, 4 multiply x, and 28 I will separate it, or factorizing 4 multiply 7. Okay, so take x outside, the first two terms x plus 7, and the last two terms for x for 7. Okay, very easy. Take 4 outside, x plus 7 in this one, and you got x plus 7 is a common factor, new common factor, and another second bracket is x plus 4. Okay, example 8. We got 2 examples left, 9 and 10. How can you do this? I think I want to do in the similar way. X squared, it means x multiply x, sorry. Here you got x multiply x, 5 multiply x, 6 multiply x, and 30. Okay, factorizing for 30. You got 6 multiply 5. Yeah, we done. X common factor, x plus 5, easy. 6, x plus 5, is it true? X plus 5 is common. Okay, so x plus 6 is another bracket. Question last one, m. M squared is mean m multiply m. 2 multiply m. 7 multiply m. 14, 2 multiply 7. Okay. M outside, m plus 2 is the first bracket, 7 outside, m plus 2 is another bracket, and the common bracket is m plus 2 and the second m plus 7. That's all. Okay, so I hope after this video you will understand more about the factorizing with the double brackets. So thank you so much and see you in next video.